Miss Joyce, myself, Miss Higgins, and Miss Doherty have spent some time trying to make sure that now that we are post Hurricane Laura and back at it, that you guys are not going to have exams in the same week. So here's what we've come up with for you guys. This is the old calendar. I'm sorry, this is our original calendar that I have pulled up here. I'm working today to type out the revised one, but let me tell you what's going to happen. So what we've decided to do for your exam 1 and exam 2, okay, so I'm going to try to show exam 1 and exam 2 content here. What we've decided to do in lieu of a 50 question exam for you is we're going to take this content and see how you can apply it in the lab. And we're making rubrics for us. So essentially, with the health history interview, we are going to assign to you to take a health history on a person. We at as of today, which is Monday, September the 21st at 10:47 a.m. We haven't decided if it's going to be a comprehensive health history or if it's going to be a focused health history for a person with nausea, vomiting, or cough, cold, congestion, or whatever. And so this will be a two-parter. So the interview, the health history, we want to see how well you do that, and then the second part of that will be how you document it, and we will be providing an example for you. Secondly, when you check off on vital signs, we will also be asking questions about equipment, questions about vital signs, and that will count as your vital signs section of your exam. Same thing for safety. We're going to ask you a couple questions. We might set up something at the bedside when you come for a check off, maybe a fall risk or the bed not in the lowest position or something safety wise, and we'll be expecting you to catch that. For asepsis and infection control, whenever you come in for your wound care checkoff, we're going to ask questions about that. There are some things that we want for you to review regarding asepsis and infection control, and I'll get more into that in a second. The nursing process, we'll be asking you questions about. So what you should review for the nursing process is, number one, what are the steps of the nursing process, and number two, why are the steps the steps? So understand why you're doing what you're doing in the nursing process. Hygiene, can you take care of oral care for a patient? Can you help put someone on a bedside commode? Can you help do a bed bath? Can you, those types of things, hygiene related things. Okay, so this is gonna be more in action. And then nursing roles, this is probably going to be a paper quiz that we bring into the lab. And all in all, it will end up 100 points total for your exam 1 instead of having to sit down and take an actual exam. And same thing for exam 2. There's going to be, we might ask you to demonstrate skin, hair, and nail assessment. We'll add some stuff in whenever we do the wound care check off, and so on and so on and so on. So expect exam 2 to be similar to the way that we give you exam 1. So essentially what we're going to do by doing this is, in the classroom, we're going to be basically picking up this week, Wednesday, September the 30th, with heart and vascular. So what you can expect is a big blue button to be posted on heart and vascular, neuromental, lymphatics and breast, and so on and so on and so on. Now you're still going to have your big blue buttons for the exam 1 content and the exam 2 content. So yes, it would be great to watch that. Now let me move over to our Lippincott course point under Taylor. Let's make this a little bit bigger. So for the assignments, because we are virtual in lab today, and you'll see the due dates. Almost everything is due on Friday. There's just one thing that I may do. I'm sorry. Yeah, just the Prep U assignments I gave you till Sunday. Okay. Um, Up here you'll see these Picmonics. The Picmonics and the animations are very short, less than 5 minutes. It's just something that you watch. It is literally just something that you watch. And the reason we want you to watch these things is because it's going to help you whenever we're seeing that you can perform something in the lab in place of a pen and paper test. Okay, first one you'll do your first time to get a lot of help you, not a whole lot. I think that's on this times. We're gonna do one takes you